Hey guys, Digital Tutorials here. Today I'm gonna show you how to add voice effects in your TikTok videos. For this you have to open your TikTok application and then you have to add a video on your plus icon. Here it is. And then there are two options. Either you can upload a video by tapping upload button, or you can record a video. So I'm gonna record a video. Here we go. And then we have to tap on this button right here. By tapping this button we will see that you will have other effects here, right here, and there's an effect named as voice effects. You have to tap on that effect and you will see multiple type of voice effects on your video. You can change the voice effects. Here we have a championey, Bratune, mic, etc, etc. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.